Welcome back to Summit Quiz. Today we have a special logo challenge for you. Think you have a photographic memory? In this video, we'll challenge you with 50 iconic logos, but can you guess the correct one? Only the sharpest minds will get them all right. Let's see if you can claim the title of a logo master. Are you up for the challenge? But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's go! Here comes an easy one. I'm sure you got it right. How about Starbucks? Which logo is the right one? Here it is. Great job. Streamers, can you guess the correct Netflix logo? I'm sure you can spot the real from a mile away. Pizza lovers, what's the correct Domino's logo? Pizza power. You've got good taste. Can you recognize the one and only Visa logo? It's this one. Household people, can you spot the correct Tide logo? It was easy, right? Take a closer look on this logo and find the correct one. Boom! Here it is. If you like ice cream, you should know the correct logo here. That's the one. Can you figure out the real Cartoon Network logo? I'm sure you got it right. Car owners, which one is the correct BMW logo? Right, here it is. LG with a dot on the left or on the right side. Sharp eye, you got it. This one can be used as a how old are you test. So what's your call? It's this one. Only true Microsoft fans will know the correct logo. The real one is right here. Chicken lovers, what's the correct KFC logo? Of course, it's this one. I bet you know the correct logo here. You nailed it. Which one of these is correct? A true logo legend. That's a fancy brand, but so what's your call? That's the one. Gamers, it's your turn. Classic pick, I'm sure you got it. Can you find the correct Uniqlo logo? Well, it's this one. Can you figure out the right one here? I know it is hard. Here it is, great job. What's the correct logo here? True petrol heads will know. Trust your instincts, this is it. Donut lovers, now it's up to you. You've seen that before, right? You probably watch TV every day. But do you remember the correct color arrangement here? Wow, that was so hard. Where is the real Hilfiger? Well, it's way harder than it seems. It's this one. Another call to credit card owners. Can you recognize the one and only logo? Right on the money. Can you guess the correct Mr. Beast logo? No doubt about it. What's the correct color arrangement here? So it's this one. Fast food lovers are obsessed with this one. It's this one. Did you get it right? Take a closer look on this one and find the correct sunflower. You did it, branding wizard. I know it's impossible, but give it a try. That's expert level recognition. Do you really know the eBay logo that well? Yeah, this is the one. Which logo is the correct one here? The one over there. Excellent quality brand. What do you say here? Smooth work. Here it is. Only true gamers will know. What's the correct Nintendo Switch logo? Yes, that's the right one. Can you find the correct Pringles logo? Well, it's this one. Nutella lovers, this one is for you. Nice call. A tough one, but I bet you know the correct logo. Right, here it is. Shoppers, where's the real Amazon logo? Easy pick. How about FedEx? Which logo is correct? That one was sneaky, but sure you caught it. Fast food lovers, now it's up to yours. It was too easy, right? Moving on, what's the original Fila logo? Here it is. Great job. I suppose you see this logo every day. Ever wondered about the Google color arrangement? You've got this down. Soda drink lovers, can you find the right Pepsi logo? No hesitation. You knew it for sure. I know it's hard, but give it a try. That's some good logo knowledge. Are you a fast food fan? I bet you know the correct logo. That's the real one. Can you find the right Olympics? You got the eye. What about this unique trending brand? That one was sneaky, but I'm sure you caught it. Ever seen this logo before? Of course, it's this one. Another iconic US brand, but what's the correct logo? Well, this is the one. Travelers, where's the real Airbnb? Come on, it's clearly this one. Wow, you made it to the end of the challenge. How many logos did you get right? If you managed to spot them all, congratulations. You truly are a logo master. Don't forget to share your score in the comments below and challenge your friends to see if they can beat you. If you enjoyed this quiz, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun challenges. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.